In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a vendor credit in Intuit QuickBooks Online. Managing vendor credits effectively can ensure your books accurately reflect the transactions and that you remain on top of your payable accounts. So, let's dive right in. To start off, you'll first need to record the vendor credit. This sets the stage for applying it correctly to a bill later. Begin by navigating to the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Here, you'll find the option labeled New. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Vendor Credit. This action will prompt you to input specific details about the credit, so make sure you're ready with this information. In the Details section, you'll specify who the vendor is, the company or person who provided you with this credit. It's important to input this correctly, as it directly affects how the credit is applied and tracked. Also, you will need to enter the credit amount, reflecting how much credit has been extended. Double-check these details to ensure accuracy, because any mistake at this stage could lead to issues later when applying the credit to bills. After you've carefully reviewed and entered all necessary information about the vendor credit, you'll want to save these changes. Once saved, the next step is to head over to the Expenses section, which you can find on the left-hand panel of your QuickBooks dashboard. Click on it, and then proceed to select the Bills tab. Here, you'll encounter a comprehensive list of all your outstanding bills. In this step, your task is to locate the specific bill that corresponds to the vendor credit you've just recorded. Finding this bill among potentially many others may take a moment, but ensuring you have the correct one is crucial for the credit to be applied correctly. Once you've identified the correct bill, look for the option that says Mark as Paid. Clicking on Mark as Paid will open up options for you to input payment details. This is where you'll use the vendor credit you recorded earlier. For the payment information, select the vendor credit option. Doing this will allow QuickBooks to automatically deduct the total amount of your vendor credit from the bill's total amount, ensuring your accounts stay balanced. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to apply a vendor credit in Intuit QuickBooks Online. This process helps ensure that your finances are always accurately reflected, saving you from potential headaches down the road. If you follow these steps carefully, managing vendor credits will soon become a smooth and straightforward task. Thank you for joining me today, and happy bookkeeping.